Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how I trimmed my training variegated Premna bonsai plant. Then I show you the results after a few days. Stay with me. The plant has well-grown branches, but not in perfect way. First, I cut off the overgrown roots which have come outside the pot. Then I cleaned the weeds on the pot. I trimmed the longer branches for getting a clear view of plant. This is how it looks like after trimming the branches. There is no proper branch arrangement which is suitable for a bonsai style. So I cut the branches, keeping only two main branches. Then keep under shade for a few days. After a few days, this is how it looks. After cutting, more buds have grown. Some are grown as shoots. I keep this bud to grow as sacrifice branch because I need a more wider base. Then I remove the unwanted shoots and buds. At the end, I kept only the required shoots for next step. Then I did wiring for the shoots. Shoots are directed to where I need and shaped. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.